So a couple of days ago, I was out and about in the woods, and I stumbled across a chicken of the woods. I'd heard about these, and I'd never seen one before. Well, I feel like I've seen them, but I never knew what they were. And when I seen this one way across the woods, I decided I would go check it out. I cut off the stem from the dirt, took it back with me, and gave my father-in-law some. After getting home with it, I've researched it some, checked it out, made sure everything was right on it, and that it was the actual chicken of the woods. I've now decided to cook it. So let's get into cooking this thing, and let's try a chicken of the woods for the first time. This is apparently a meaty mushroom. Now, I've eaten chanterelles, pheasant back mushroom, and morel mushrooms. I've never tried this one. I've heard a lot about it. I'm gonna try cooking it the way I cook every mushroom, which is butter, salt, and pepper in a pan with a little bit of heat. So let's jump right into that. So I got them rinsed off, but I wanted to give you a quick disclaimer. Don't eat mushrooms unless you're absolutely sure that it's not gonna kill you. Now, when I found this mushroom, I took some of it to my father-in-law and let him eat it a couple of days ago to make sure that he wasn't gonna die before I ate them myself. That way, it's a win-win scenario. If my in-laws eat them and die, well, I don't have in-laws anymore. Let's give these a try. Now, initial impression is that these things do not cook up at all. Look how thick that is. See that? They are nothing like a morel or a chanterelle. Those things cook up tiny after you get done with them. Here we go. First attempt at the chicken of the woods. That's pretty amazing. It actually kind of looks like chicken. I think they taste a ton like a morel, except they just have like this super thick texture, which is good. Man, it looks so much like chicken, that's weird. There you go, look at this. It's probably my new favorite mushroom. I'm not kidding. Like morels, chanterelles, chicken of the woods, these things are all right there. You can spot them from a mile away though, because they're super bright orange, and right now's the time to find them. It's like August, it's around the middle of August in Kentucky, and you need to go find these things, because I'm telling you, if you like mushrooms at all, these are amazing. They're so good. Look at this. Does that not look just like a piece of chicken? Come on. Anyways, 10 out of 10. If you can find these things, go get them. Just make sure they're the right kind, because I don't want you getting sick, but chicken of the woods, woo, baby, that's good. If you want to see more videos like this, just let us know. I'm Dillon Fields, and I approve of the chicken of the woods. Bye.